What's going on, YouTube? Today's video, we're talking maintenance on the fuck. But before we get into the video this evening, first I need to give you guys a huge shout out. We are at 300 subscribers. That happened way faster than I expected it to. The ultimate goal is 1,000 subscribers. I need 1,000 of you guys to hit the subscribe button. If you like content like this, there will be more of it coming. Just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, smash the like button, and I will be eternally grateful. Basically, I needed to do an inspection on my vehicle this evening, so I figured tonight would be a really good time to explain to you guys the maintenance costs that are involved with keeping that thing running in tip-top condition. First and foremost is oil changes. The oil changes are about $50 to $100 depending on if you do it yourself or if you take it to a dealership. I do it myself just because I can. It's something that I enjoy doing, and I can save myself $50. I use the Castrol 540 full synthetic, super synthetic. Here's some B-roll. And it seems to be doing a great job. I recommend doing oil changes every 3,000 miles just to keep this thing running in its highest performing condition. Checking the oil can be done on the ground, but for everything else we need to get it up in the air, so we should definitely do that. Holy shit, that was cool. I really wish I could fix it like that. So there are a few main points that we want to touch on when we're talking about maintenance. We're talking engine, transmission, driveline components, brakes, tires, suspension, all of those things. So now that we've got it up in the air about halfway, we're going to inspect the brakes and the tires. So there's a couple different things you want to check for when you're inspecting your tires, and one of which is the tread wear. Now you've got different tread wear on the outside and on the inside of your tire, both of which need to be inspected. But before we pull this tire off and inspect tread wear and check the air pressure in it, this particular tire is a 295/45/20, and what that means is that there are very limited tire sizes or tire options available. Pirelli makes 3 different tires: a all-season tire, a more snow-oriented tire, and a high-performance summer tire, all of which will end up costing you around $2,000 to replace. So let's go ahead and pull this tire off, we'll check tread wear, and we'll inspect our brakes. Whoo, she's heavy. So this is your tread depth gauge. That's what it looks like. You can get them for free, or they're usually a couple bucks at any store. The tire reps bring these for us for free all the time, so I've got a bunch of them. If you subscribe and you want a tread depth gauge, let me know in the comments. So anyways, you've got your outside tread and you've got your inside tread, and what you're looking for is whether the tread is wearing evenly across the full width of the tire. So we're gonna go ahead and measure the outside tread and the inside tread to determine whether or not we've got any suspension issues or alignment issues. So we've got 5 30-seconds on the outside, which means it's getting close to needing to be replaced. And we've got 5 30-seconds on the inside also. The next maintenance item is brakes. Now obviously these are not normal brakes. These are 6-piston Brembo calipers up front, 4-piston in the rear, and with how fast this thing gets going, you definitely need these big ass brakes to stop. Now what we're looking for with these is the pad life remaining on the outside as well as the inside. Sometimes they wear differently. If they do, you could wind up in a metal on metal position, and that'll cause you to have to replace your rotors, and it could definitely cause damage to your calipers as well. Now brakes are a little bit of a touchy subject when it comes to the SRT. I've talked to multiple different dealerships, I've searched the forums, I've checked everywhere. Now, depending on who you talk to, some people say that you can resurface your brake rotors. If it were me and I had to, I would replace the rotors as well as the pads to make sure that I have as much braking force as possible when I need it. If you're resurfacing rotors, you're looking at $600 an axle. If you're replacing rotors, you're looking at $1,200 an axle. So it'll either be $1,200 for the front and rear, or it'll be $2,400 for the front and rear, depending on if you want to replace your brake rotors. This brings me to my next semi-controversial topic, transmission services. Depending on which dealership you talk to, some people will tell you that it's a lifetime transmission, which is horseshit, because all transmissions need to be serviced. And then other dealers will tell you for $300 you can get a transmission service with the filter, the gasket, and the fluid. $300 out the door. So touching on a similar topic, you have your front differential, your transfer case, and your rear differential. When the power from the engine comes out of the transmission, it goes to your transfer case. The transfer case splits the power between the front and the rear axle. The differentials split the power from the right side to the left side, ensuring that each wheel has traction and grip to grip the road. The differentials and the transfer case cost about $200 each to service. So if you're looking at servicing your transmission, your differentials, and your transfer case, you're looking at around $900. All right, guys. Well, I stayed late at my 9 to 5. It's not really a 9 to 5. It's a 6:55 to 7:30 job. If you like content like this, make sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, hit the like button. I love you guys forever. We are on the hunt for 1,000 subscribers. I know you guys can help me. I know I can do it. It's just a matter of time. Look out for my other videos. Check them out. They're over here. And until next time, you guys be safe.
Yeah, later. It's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going